everyone. Sorry that my steering wheel's in the way. I don't really think there's... Nope, not much I can do about it. Sorry. I'm just on my way to work. I forgot to bring my camera with me. Silly. But basically, I just wanted to do... It's going to be like a really disjointed kind of like weekly weekend vlog. Because I'm getting my lips dissolved after work today to then get them redone this time next week. And then it's my mummy's birthday this weekend. So it's going to be birthday bonanzas for mum this weekend. Brother's coming down from uni, Lee's coming over. So it's going to be fun. I think Saturday we're just going to do like games and stuff. Yay! We're going down to the beach to do sparklers. Show the sparklers back. Because it's mum's birthday weekend. Also, my lip appointment was cancelled, so I'm gonna get done tomorrow. But yeah, gonna do sparklers on the beach. Sparklers. Okay, I'm filming.
But we need the lighters.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Oh.
I'm filming.
You're doing everything.
Ooh, this is awkward. Oh, that's hot.
Yay!
Ooh,
Yay!
everyone wave them around.
Oh, sorry, Mike. Yeah.
Lee, go in.
Yay! Happy fireworks! Do a heart.
Yeah, do drawings.
Would you like to spell out?
Yeah. It can't be rude though.
Write cock or something.
Yay!
Can you see me?
I can!
Woo! I got a sparkler. Everyone watch me now.
We are watching you!
That's why you went
It's me.
You're in a cage with an animal.
You.
It's actively trying to kill you. And you need to try and fight it. Which would you pick out of a grizzly bear?
We're making brownies for Mum's birthday. I've just got triple chocolate chunk brownie mix. Because she said the other day she was really fancying brownies. I watched a TikTok of this, I think she was a baker, of how to like make box cakes better. And it was like use milk instead of water, use butter instead of oil, and use like one more egg than they tell you to use. So that's what I'm gonna do. It says 60 grams of melted butter. I'm just gonna wing that because we don't have any scales, which is always fun. 2 medium eggs. Is that it? Just butter and 2 eggs? That doesn't seem like a lot of ingredients. And I've got some balloons to blow up for her. We've got loads of like birthday banners that I want to put on the door and like in the living room. But I don't know where they are. That's the difficult thing. I've just sent Big Lee and my brother out to go get Mum from the nail salon and take her to the shops or something, because that doesn't seem like enough. I don't feel anyway. Hell yeah, baby. Oh, we're getting somewhere now. Although, not really. Oh, it has got chunks in it. Understood, that's why it's lumpy. I'm putting a bit of milk in. I'm going off route, I'm going off piste, off the recipe. Lee.
Morning.
Morning all. What time is it?
11 o'clock maybe.
Isn't it? It's way later than that. Do you want to do me a favour, babe?
Yeah?
Do you want to...
The banners.
Well, we'll blow these up. Thank you.
Yeah, that's nice. I love brownie.
Mmm.
Tastes like.
I better watch my 5'2" mouth. First of all, I'm glad you said that. I'm not 5'2", I'm 5'3".
I haven't got the lungs for this.
You were literally pathetic. Like salted pretzel. I think that would be nice. Like a salted pretzel. Salted pretzel. What is wrong with me? You're literally the most pathetic person I've ever met. No, I'm gonna go with it. I don't wanna insult Betty Crocker. She's done her best at the end of the day. Yum. Bloody hell.
I can't figure out how to do it.
You're just tying it up,
How are
babe.
you meant to try and not if you're holding it?
I'm actually thick. I was just about to say, oh my god, because it's
Yeah.
round, there's gonna be no edge pieces. What was your best birthday party?
When I was like 10.
What was it?
Spider-Man.
It's like the free measure.
Yeah.
Went bowling and stuff. The England top with my name on it as a cake. Fucking hell good.
That's sick, babe. No! You're horrid. Stay there, camera.
Oh, that's making me nervous.
What? I'm gonna do it.
Someone just
Don't
fall
snatch
off.
it again. Her. I don't know whether I prefer it French. Her.
Bloody hell's this car going?
It's a colour again.
Her. Her.
Meow.
Meow. Pussy meow. Pussy meow. Her. Say slay the hats and boots, mama. Say what? Slay the hats.
hand boots, mama.
Slay the hand.
Slay the hand.
Slay the house down.
Oh,
boots
slay
and
the
mama. Slay the hand, boots, mama.
Slay the house down, boots, mama.
Check this coordination. Pearls. Pearls.
And a pearl necklace.
Kidding! He's kidding! We're going into Sounds Good to Primark. Whoop whoop! Whoop whoop! Whoop whoop. Okay, bye. Birthday spread. Oh, you've done that salad really nice. What is that?
Salmon.
Ugh, why is it grey? Quiche, pizza, pigs in blanket.
I'll do this. Wow.
Really hot. No. And we're playing Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? I think we should each have our own respected buzzer sound.
Put your money over.
I pick ah!
I pick.
Whatever!
Lee, what are you going to be? What are you going to be, Max?
Just say what?
Your buzzer sound.
I can't remember what mine is now.
Yours is
Sweet but my sweet. What's the answer? That is the song.
Yeah, no, I just said that's the name of the song.
It's not that embarrassing, actually.
thinking.
Stop looking at yourself in the mirror.
I think it's either that one or that one.
Well, I'm not helping you.
I'm just
You're
saying.
not on my side.
At least doing 50-50.
Oh, I know what the answer is.
They're the ones what I think.
Well, do you want us to do 50-50 or not?
Yeah.
Okay, well then, Ella, that's the 50-50.
So confused.
There you go, that's
We're
just
laughing.
50.
We're laughing.
Not laughing.
That's it?
That's it.
That's
So it's either of those two.
50-50.
Yeah.
It's either of
That's
those
it.
two.
It's either of those.
I know, fair, is it?
So confused.
Leo already had
those are two options.
Leo already had 2 options. Yeah, show your
Show
answer.
them the answer.
No, you laugh at me.
What, don't you think they already are?
So I know.
It's only me that watch it.
What's so funny?
That was a bit nasty.
I don't mean that.
She's such a twat.
A couple other people probably watch it.
What did he say?
They were just going to be the watchers anyway.
3 other people watch it.
I'm a bit hot now.
It's you and Jack, my cousin.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Careful, we should blow chocolate everywhere.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Hello.
You look gorgeous. Talk through what you just ate that's not here anymore.
A chicken burger with some chips. And I had some really nice calamari as well.
Where are we?
Love calamari. Loads of lemon on it. Spring onions, chilies.
Dimples.
What did you have?
I had, film me. I'll tell you what I had, wait, do this then. I can't remember what I had though, yeah. Well no, I had a brunch sandwich, which was like char-grilled chicken, avocado, lettuce, tomato. I think it had mayo in it, but I don't know whether it was mayo or butter. And then I had rosemary fries as well. And we're just in
Oh yeah, they were.
Do a pan of bills.
I can't see what I'm filming right now, but and the toilet's behind that curtain. I think it's like unisex toilets, which is cool.
You're stunning.
Sophia Tuxford liked my comment on Instagram earlier. It said slay 8. And then she messaged me after asking if I want to go out with her. Ella got really annoyed.
He commented. Wait. She commented slay at 8. She liked his
You can put it on the
comment.
screen.
Huh?
Edit it on the screen.
Yeah, I'll place it here. The screenshot. Yeah, I'm really film much today. We took Mum and Lee to, because it's Mum's birthday. Took Mum and Lee to 6 for bottomless brunch. And then we just mooched around town. I need to go into Primark to get a few things. Went into Primark yesterday and spent way more than I needed to, but going back. Slay.